Hey guys, what's up? This is gonna be the other video. You know I did the board game, the last one. So now it's gonna be way better. Let's see what it is. It is a gaming headphones. It's on phone, it's on laptop, it's on games, I think, and it's on if you want to listen to some music, or it's on PlayStation 4. I think it works on PlayStation 5. Let's start opening it. But it takes like some detail. You could read these to see how much. But it says bass, boosted speaker. I think it's boosted up. Let's opening. It's gonna wait. Oh yeah, I forgot. So it's gotta. Why does it always have to be this? Why does it always have to be this one? I think then we go yape. Then we start opening it. Okay, this is weird. There's like this thing, I don't know what the heck this is. There's a website if you want to check it out. It's www.nofear.com. If you want to check it out, you can. Well, this is just the package. I think I'm gonna put it back. So let's check on the main thing. The main thing is this. This will go to PC. This will go to phone because it's a 3.5 jack. This is the main thing, the headphones. So you could. I think this. Yeah. Maybe I should use this when I'm playing. When I'm doing my game videos, yeah. I'm looking like I'm kind of like a gamer. I think this is gonna be great for my gaming video I'm gonna make tomorrow. You can, what is this? The mute, and this is for the volume. If you want to make the volume slow or high, this is the mute. So if another player wants to talk to you, he wants to listen and try to do something bad, wrong to you, you should mute it or something. And I think this is very good. But when you get the pack, we'll test it tomorrow. The star is good or bad. Tomorrow I'm gonna get a new game. Below Zero and best game. It's a horror, but we're not gonna discover everything. We're just gonna do like some discovering. And I'm gonna be using this, so we'll tell you on that video. We'll tell you if it's 5 stars or if it's less. It has skeletons that have broken heads. Even the packaging. Bye guys.